Guys, these are the elites. Check this out. These are the elites, bro.
Mike, today, Mike.
Elites, just plowing through it. I don't see no one do the Homer Simpson walk yet. I want to see somebody do that. How? How? Ooh, plowing, just plowing some balls. Some pins in the shit. Ooh. Now this guy right here is nice. Allowing it, bro. Oh, home, man. Check this man out, bro. That man's so right. That's an athlete right here, bro. Yo, that's the second one. You know, these guys don't even practice, right? These guys don't even take the practice. They just let the time go down in the practice. Look at that. The pins can barely stand up. Check this guy out. Check this guy out, man. Check this guy out. Let me do a slow motion video so y'all can. I think he got this one. Ooh. Wait, check this. I'm gonna do a slow mo.